In 1945, in a humble basement, John and Pauline Malish didn't just start a business, they sparked a legacy. Fueled by grit, craftsmanship, and an eye for innovation, Malish Brush was born. As word spread and demand grew, Malish moved operations from the heart of Cleveland, bringing high-quality brush making to the industrial stage. Through the decades, Malish earned its reputation as the go-to partner for OEMs, delivering precision-made brushes that powered the floor care industry. From John to Terry, and now to Jeff Malish, the third generation to lead, the family's vision has scaled globally. What started in a basement now drives innovation across continents. With 80 years of breakthrough and bold ideas, Malish stands as the world's leading maker of rotary and cylindrical brushes, trusted in every corner of the cleaning industry. I am absolutely convinced our employees are the reason we've been successful. They are the foundation of who we are. Jeff Malish, President and CEO. Malish, 80 years of innovation, and we're just getting started.